Hey YouTubers, just wanted to show you that I have dogs and I also have a bird. The bird has a cage and a stand, except the bird thinks that he is a dog because he keeps climbing down and he'd rather be in the dog beds than be on his cage. He's such a clown, this bird. His name is Big Boy. He's having a good old time chewing on the dog bed. That's what he likes to do. Chewing up the dog beds. So this is Big Boy. This is Big Boy. Big Boy the bird. Hello, Big Boy. Hello, Big Boy. Hello, Big Boy. Don't meow. Okay, so they're not afraid of each other. Domeo just took a walk over there. And the bird and the dog are getting along. Who knew? Okay, the bird's starting to move. The bird's getting off the bird cage, off the bed. And he goes, okay, I think I'm going to get away from the dog. And there you have it. Big Boy and the bird and the dog. The pug. And another pug. That's Bob the pug. Okay, everybody, have a great day. I thought you might enjoy that.